Hey guys, I'm here in Las Vegas staying at the Link for the International Pizza Expo, and guess what I found? A pizza vending machine. So I figured we'd try it together. Oh, it's flat. Alright, they got a cheese slice, a pepperoni slice. I honestly think the cheese is really great, so we'll go for the cheese. Is that it? What? It canceled it. Okay, hold on. What?
Activate your card via the mobile phone.
Oh, I see. So it's taking, heating, and then delivery. Oh, I think it comes out right here. Other than the payment, that was not too bad. I'm gonna pull a Dave Portnoy and one bite. I might have burned the top of my tongue.
Classic Portnoy move.
You got a 7 out of 10. Actually pretty damn good.
That's a big score.